Are you intrigued by the mysteries of the universe? The vast expanse of space holds secrets that have puzzled scientists and dreamers alike for centuries. From the twinkling stars that dot the night sky to the distant galaxies that stretch beyond our imagination, the cosmos is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. Black holes, enigmatic voids in space where time and light seem to disappear. These cosmic phenomena challenge our understanding of physics and reality. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. The concept of a black hole was first theorized by John Michell in 1783, but it wasn't until the 20th century that we began to uncover their true nature. But what really lies within these cosmic giants? What secrets do they hold at their core? At the heart of a black hole lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. The study of black holes has led to some of the most profound questions in modern science. Today, we're diving deep into the anatomy of a black hole, unraveling the mysteries of their immense gravitational pull and the singularity at their center. We'll explore the different types of black holes, from stellar mass black holes formed by the collapse of massive stars, to supermassive black holes that reside at the centers of galaxies. We'll also delve into the fascinating phenomena associated with black holes, such as Hawking radiation and the information paradox, and exploring the latest scientific discoveries that are reshaping our understanding of the universe. From groundbreaking observations to theoretical advancements, scientists are continually pushing the boundaries of what we know. The Event Horizon Telescope's capture of the first image of a black hole in 2019 was a monumental achievement, providing direct visual evidence of these mysterious objects. Ongoing research and observations continue to reveal new insights into the behavior and properties of black holes. Buckle up as we take you on a journey beyond the event horizon into the unknown realms of space and time. We'll venture into the speculative theories of what might lie beyond, from wormholes that could connect distant parts of the universe to the possibility of alternate dimensions. The journey promises to be as thrilling as it is enlightening, offering a glimpse into the profound mysteries that lie at the very edge of our understanding. Let's dive into the anatomy of a black hole. What are the key components of these fascinating cosmic entities? First up, the event horizon, the point of no return. It's the boundary where gravity becomes so strong not even light can escape. Cross this line and you're lost to the universe forever. At the very center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where space and time as we know it break down. This is where the real mystery begins. Physics itself can't yet explain what happens inside. Surrounding the black hole is the accretion disk, a swirling mass of gas and dust, spiraling closer and closer to the event horizon. As it accelerates, it heats up, shining brightly, often brighter than entire galaxies. Recent discoveries and theories have expanded our understanding of black holes in ways we could never have imagined. In 1974, the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking introduced a groundbreaking concept: Hawking radiation. Surprisingly, black holes, which were once thought to be inescapable, can actually lose mass and eventually evaporate over time. This phenomenon occurs due to quantum effects happening right at the event horizon. Hawking's theory revolutionized our understanding of black holes and the fundamental laws of physics. Before this, black holes were considered eternal, with their immense gravitational pull trapping everything, even light, forever. But Hawking radiation changed that perspective. These fascinating quantum effects involve particle-antiparticle pairs forming near the event horizon. One particle falls into the black hole, while the other escapes into space, leading to a gradual but inevitable loss of mass for the black hole, ultimately causing it to vanish completely. This process is incredibly slow for large black holes, taking longer than the current age of the universe for them to evaporate. However, for smaller black holes, the evaporation process is much faster. The escaping particles are what we observe as Hawking radiation. This discovery has profound implications for the field of quantum mechanics and general relativity, bridging the gap between these two fundamental theories. It suggests that black holes are not entirely black, but emit radiation, providing a potential window into the mysteries of the universe. Hawking's work continues to inspire physicists and cosmologists, driving further research into the enigmatic nature of black holes and the quantum realm. And in recent years, we've started black holes. Thanks to LIGO and Virgo observatories, we've detected ripples in space-time caused by the collision of two black holes. These faint echoes offer a new way to study these invisible giants. Section 3. Black holes in popular culture. From blockbuster movies to thrilling novels, black holes captivate our imagination. Black holes have long fascinated filmmakers, most notably in Christopher Nolan's. The depiction of the black hole was based on real equations provided by astrophysicist Kip Thorne, making it one of the most accurate portrayals in cinema. The event horizon is the boundary of a black hole, a point of no return, where anything that crosses it is lost forever, swallowed by the darkness. It represents the ultimate unknown, a boundary between reality and the terrifying abyss. Black holes remain one of the universe's most profound mysteries. As we delve deeper into their enigmatic nature, we are reminded of how much there is yet to uncover. What other secrets lie hidden in the cosmos? Curious about the mysteries of the universe? Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of space. We explore everything from distant galaxies to the secrets of our own solar system. Our videos take you on a journey through the cosmos, unraveling the enigmas of black holes, the birth and death of stars, and the intricate dance of planets. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just starting to gaze at the night sky, there's something here for everyone. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Each week, we bring you the latest discoveries and theories from the world of astronomy. From the breathtaking beauty of nebulae to the mind-bending concepts of quantum physics, we cover it all. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up at the stars. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. What new discoveries about black holes await us in the future? Join us on this cosmic journey to find out. With every episode, we delve deeper into the unknown, shedding light on the dark corners of space. So, grab your telescope, mark your calendars, and embark on this adventure with us. The universe is calling, and it's time to answer.